What's up, everybody? We was about to do a whole haircut with just the lever open on my master clipper, and we finna do the whole haircut with no plastic guards and get to it. I just want to show y'all my skill. And so we doing a brush fade, and the first transition is the lever open, as you can see. And I'm just kind of just starting my first transition. As you can see, the lever open, and I'm just starting that transition. And this is going to be that first line that I do create before I start my blending process. And everybody hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and share this video, because I think this the one, y'all. And we is finna start flicking. As you can see now, I do a raking technique. And I do use the plastic comb. Like, I do use a comb, a regular hair comb. And that's the only thing that's the form of my guards. But as you can see here, I'm recording with one hand and cutting with one hand, so I can't use my comb for the higher bulk area. But as you can see here, I'm just using my raking technique and kind of raking and glazing over the hair, as you can see here. And this is really creating my blend. You got to have an eye for this type of things, you know what I mean? You got to see the haircut before you even start the whole blend, you know what I mean? Or the whole haircut in general. So I already seen it, visualize it. I do that with all my haircuts. And as you can see here, it's just all straight skill, just straight raking and straight blending. And I really just debulk, I graze over the hair to kind of set that first, like getting that first bulk off. And then I just keep taking bulk off, as you can see here, to kind of make that blend and like everything come together, you know. And this is just me kind of debulking. This is really debulking. As you can see though, the whole blend is there. The blend is there already. You know what I mean? Like, the whole blend is there and it's already almost done. But yeah, man, it's just raking, and then me just kind of just having an eye for it, man, having a hand and a touch for it. I'm located in Minnesota, so been underground for a while, trying to get my name out there, man. So that's why I want y'all to share this video and get this thing out here. Let's get to it. My phone died, so I couldn't get the whole rest of the haircut, but I did capture the lineup, and this is like the after of everything, you know what I mean? Of like me actually, when my phone died, I actually got my comb and I did a lot more detail work and to make that whole brush fade blend come together on this straight hair client. This is the manager for the University of Minnesota Gophers basketball boys. He the manager. So yeah, man, let's get to it. And as I can see here though, this is straight pressure. Lining crispy, haircut crispy. I took about an inch off the top, and that's pretty much all I took off the top. And everything else is kind of, you know, brush fade, and I just blended it out. Lever open, use my comb, and I use my raking technique to make this whole blend come together. No plastic guards. Y'all let me know in the comment section what you think about this haircut down below. I want y'all to share this video and let me know what you think about my technique, and let me know what y'all want to see more of on my haircut videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.